Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to change RAM 1500 brake pads. Before you begin, always prioritize safety. Park your truck on a level surface, engage the parking brake, and use wheel chocks. You'll need a jack stands, a lug wrench, and a C-clamp. Once the truck is securely lifted and supported, carefully remove the wheel to expose the brake components. This preparation is crucial for a smooth and safe process. Now that the wheel is off, let's remove the old brake pads. You'll typically find 2 caliper guide pin bolts on the back of the caliper. Use a wrench to loosen and remove these. Once the bolts are out, carefully lift the caliper off the rotor. Remember to support the caliper so it doesn't hang by the brake hose, which could cause damage. With the caliper out of the way, you can easily slide the worn brake pads out of the caliper bracket. With the old pads removed, it's time for the new ones. First, you need to compress the caliper piston back into its housing. A C-clamp or a brake piston compression tool works perfectly for this. Once the piston is fully retracted, carefully slide your new brake pads into the caliper bracket, ensuring they are seated correctly. Then, guide the caliper back over the new pads and the rotor, aligning it with the mounting points. This step is critical for proper brake function. Almost done. Reinstall the caliper guide pin bolts and tighten them to the manufacturer's specifications. Then, put your wheel back on, hand tighten the lug nuts, and lower the truck. Once on the ground, fully tighten the lug nuts. Before driving, pump the brake pedal repeatedly until it feels firm. This seats the new pads against the rotor. Finally, take a cautious test drive at low speeds to ensure everything is working correctly. Congratulations, you've changed your brake pads.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.